So welcome to today's update video, and this is Hurricane Cecilia. Cecilia is now down to 70 knots. According to the ANC, the storm peaked at 85 knots last night, and it started to weaken a little bit and counter some dry. This storm actually looked pretty good, about 4 or 5 Z. So about 20 or so hours ago, the system looked pretty presentable, but since even around probably peaked at around 6, maybe even like 6 or 7 Z. But since then, it appeared to be moving over some cool waters. The system's been moving over some 24 to 25 CR waters, and it's basically headed towards the eastern Pacific graveyard, carrying some stable air. The system's not really a Hawaii threat anymore, as the global models have shifted northward with this tropical cyclone. So they continue on a west-northwesterly to westerly track, but while and then maybe eventually turn north as a very weak system. Anyhow, now we have some more positive things to say. This was tropical depression, Ivy, now tropical Storm Darby, the ASCAP pass. The greatest intensity is at 45 knots based on some 8 and ASCAP pass. May even be a little stronger if the ASCAP B pass is correct. I mean, you can see there's some obvious east-northeasterly shift, but the system looks okay-ish. I mean, there's not a lot of convection, doesn't appear to be overly enhanced by upper outflow. However, you can see some decent structure in general. And I think the system will probably develop an inner core as the shear relaxes. It's really not that strong, about 10 to 15 knots at the mid to upper levels max, kind of typical for this part of the world at this time of year. I mean, it's a little bit further east than what most eastern Pacific tropical cyclones are. Like what most of the eastern Pacific tropical cyclones are going, at least relative to this season. So it's not overly shocked. The system's passing a little bit south to Quad and continue moving west, and then probably stay fairly west for most of the storm's lifetime, at least for the foreseeable future. Intensity-wise, I expect some strengthening. The system appears to be strengthening right now, probably around 50 knots right now. I mean, the latest T numbers were about 6 hours ago at T3.0, and since then, from both SAB and TAFB, and since then, Darby only appears to have gotten stronger, not weaker. Now, Darby is likely to solidify may try and solidify an inner core over the next day or so, so there'll likely be some strengthening tonight, and then as it continues to finish it's doing its job, probably a level offing tomorrow, and then by Thursday, the system should be able to at least become, if it's not already a hurricane, may have the opportunity to become a major hurricane. After Thursday, sea surface temperatures will be decreasing. So it's going to be moving over low oceanic heat content, which is going to eventually lead to upwelling. So this should pass, however, north of most of the upwelled area, but we'll see. The upwelled area from Blossom to Cecilia, and that causes Cecilia to struggle. So we'll see what happens. What will happen, that will kind of determine how much this is the moves over the upwelled area, or how much the upwelled waters are able to recover will kind of determine the rate of weakening at shear. Friday and beyond is likely to be quite low. Now, here's a look at the GFS runs. Let's use a quick look at the visual picture of Cecilia. Now here's a look at the GFS runs. I mean, the GFS is European. Let me quickly, if you want to really take a look at each individual, you can pause it, but let me quickly. You can quickly see, kind of see it showing an outburst of storms over the next 60 days. European showing a relatively similar deal. Here's the Euro Day 10, however, let me point out a few differences. Here's the 18Z GFS, Day 5. Here's Cecilia. No, not Cecilia. Here's Darby. Here's the 020 system. No, not the 070 system that's behind, I might have mentioned yesterday. That's following Darby, and then you have another system behind that. But on day 5, you can kind of see the two systems that the GFS is showing appears somehow to be combined into one. Or if you look at the Europeans, so one of these two models is lying. I mean, we've seen some flip-floppiness of both the GFS and European from run to run, so it's hard to say. Look at the 12 euro from yesterday. kind of shows more into agreement with what the current AT&T GFS run is showing. So it's kind of hard to say what will happen. Regardless, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.